Hello, dear students, BDS students as well as BMS students, those who are going to give the examination for the subject of medicine. So, the topic of today's discussion is syncope. Usually, the students pronounce it as syncope, but it is syncope. Syncope is a very commonly seen problem, especially in dental OPD. While you are doing dental procedures like dental extraction or injecting the local anesthesia in the gums for extraction or such other procedures, patients are sometimes going into this type of disease like syncope. Now, what is syncope? It is defined as transient loss of consciousness. Transient means for very small period of time or short period of time. Transient loss of consciousness due to reduced blood supply to the brain. Now, it is usually associated with postural collapse. Patient को जिसको होगा, he is likely to fall. So, it is associated with postural collapse and followed by spontaneous recovery. And another point, it may occur suddenly. A patient appears to be looking good and suddenly he gets a syncopal attack and falls down, and spontaneously he can recover himself. Or it may be preceded by a period of pre-syncope during which the patient feels some features like lightheadedness, weakness of the body, then dimming of vision, blurring of eyes, and ringing sensation in the ears. Sweating also may be present. So, pre-syncope may be associated or may be followed by syncope. So, pre-syncope features lightheadedness, headache, weakness, blurring of vision, ringing sensation in the ear, nausea, vomiting, etc. The patient in syncope suddenly becomes pale, as if whole of the blood has been squeezed out, and he becomes faint and rapidly falls to the ground. During examination, the patient may have irregular pulse. So, and while you look for the breathing, it appears as if the patient is not breathing, that is imperceptible breathing. There may be small minor myoclonic jerks or maybe full-fledged clonic movements of the body. So these things may remain for about 5 to 10 seconds. Now, this period of syncope or pre-syncope followed by syncope is usually caused by certain conditions like number 1, vertebrobasilar insufficiency. Vertebrobasilar insufficiency means the blood supply to the brain through the vertebral system of artery and carotid system of artery is reduced. So here it is vertebrobasilar system, and it is usually seen in patients of cervical spondylosis. Number 2, there may be patient of diabetes who has taken the medicine but he has not taken his meals. Then it is because of hypoglycemia. Hypoglycemia means low blood sugar. When the sugar levels become less than 50 milligram or sometimes 50 to 70 milligram, then the patient is likely to go into syncope. Then the patient of seizures. Patient of seizures may also sometimes prone to syncope. And in patients who are suppose present in a mela, in a huge gathering, in a rally, because of low oxygen there, that may also lead to syncopal attack. That means hypoxemia. Low oxygen concentration in the atmosphere, leading to low concentration in the blood because of the breathing difficulty. This breathing difficulty is due to the huge gathering in which the patient is there. So, as I have already told you, you are requested to go to my app, Dr. Ashok Kumar Rana, download it from Google Play Store and subscribe to it, and look for other videos also regarding the subject of neurology. This is the video which I am going to say after some time, that means about 5 days after the introduction. Now, what are the various causes of syncope? Number 1 is neurally mediated. Neurally mediated means through the brain. That means psychophysiological, as occurs in dental departments, where the patient एकदम देख के घबरा जाता है, इतनी बड़ी चेयर, इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स देख के, और patient may go into vasovagal shock or vasovagal syncope, that is called. Blood flow is reduced and the patient goes into syncope. Then second is visceral reflexes, that is called reflex syncope. In this reflex syncope, there are various reflexes. The patient may go in for syncope. Similarly, cardiac syncope, and then perfusion failure and orthostatic syncope related to head posture. So there are so many causes for syncope. Now, going for the details, I will request you to go to my app, Dr. Ashok Kumar Rana, download it from the Google Play Store, subscribe to it, and there you will get the full material about syncope. So, as you have been seeing the videos in the past, I feel that you must be enjoying the videos, and this is the video which you will be relishing, because it is one of the common topics which is present or which is usually seen in the dental department. Similarly, during examination also, patients, students, they go in to syncope. जब उनको एग्जाम में पेपर नहीं समझ आ रहा, जब उनको इंटरव्यू में जा रहे हैं तब उनको समझ नहीं आ रहा, then they are likely to go into syncope. This is called psychophysiological syncope. So such type of details will be present in the detailed video on syncope. So please go to the app and download it, Dr. Ashok Kumar Rana, and then you will find the total material about syncope.